Check out the Subaru 2014 Outback 2.5i Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are popular package number 1B included, rear bumper cover part number E775 SAO0 all-weather floor mats, set of 4, part number J501 SAO0 splash guards part number J101 SAO500 auto-dimming mirror with compass and homely part number H7150 FJ101, ivory cloth upholstery, standard model, satin white pearl, rear cargo and ET included, part number F551 SAO101, all-wheel drive, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.